In today's fast-paced world, logistics and warehouse management aren't just for big players. Over 80% of global manufacturing involves small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs. These businesses face pressing needs for better inventory and consumables management. Many SMEs, especially in emerging markets like Southeast Asia, India, and Latin America, still rely on outdated methods. Manual counting and basic barcode systems are inefficient and lead to costly errors. These mistakes can affect operations and safety in hospitals, food processing plants, and factories. Two types of RFID technology can help: LF/HF RFID and UHF RFID. LF/HF RFID is ideal for short-range and low-cost management, especially where access control is crucial. It works well in small-scale warehouses that need precise tracking. Meanwhile, UHF RFID is better suited for larger operations demanding fast and efficient inventory counting. Let's consider the pain points SMEs face. Many small manufacturers spend days on manual inventory checks, leading to lost records. Medical warehouses risk expired drugs, while food processing plants struggle with batch management. Additionally, internal storerooms often lack tracking, leading to asset mismatches. RFID technology can address these issues efficiently. By attaching RFID tags to items, businesses can track movements easily, either through RFID gates or handheld readers. LF/HF systems provide control for small warehouses, while UHF systems support larger inventories needing quick scans. RFID can enhance personnel access control too. Employees can use LF/HF cards for secure entry, while UHF supports vehicle access. In batch management, RFID tags alert users about expiring pharmaceuticals or food, improving traceability and minimizing errors. What's the added value of smart RFID management? First, cost flexibility allows SMEs to start with HF RFID and scale to UHF as needed. Then, efficiency gains from UHF ensure rapid inventory counts, while LF/HF guarantees precision. Furthermore, data-driven management integrates with existing ERP and WMS systems, optimizing resource allocation. Finally, enhanced security through RFID protects both personnel and assets. Global trends show that RFID in logistics is booming, with a growth rate over 14%. LF/HF adoption is on the rise among SMEs, while UHF remains dominant in large logistics centers. By 2025, hybrid RFID solutions combining LF/HF and UHF will become standard, emphasizing the need for flexible adoption strategies. In summary, smart RFID management is essential for SMEs looking to transform their logistics and warehousing processes. Its dual approach ensures businesses can start small and scale as they grow while maintaining efficiency and security. If you're ready to enhance your logistics and warehouse management, explore RFID solutions for your business today.